I have started applying to the jobs from my last semester, and then like I was not shortlisting at any of the job. Like मुझे वो mail याद हो गया था. Like unfortunately at this point of time we can't forward with your application. We are moving with other candidates' application. I cleared all my mocks like within 10 days of joining, and after that I got access to the job portal at Ashio Job, and I found that they conduct hiring drive for their students like 10 to 15 or 20 hiring drives per month. Like you can apply to a job drive if you like it. Like there are multiple categories of job drive that happens on Ashio Job monthly, and then I started applying from Ashio Job, and my resume also get started shortlisted, and they provide some awesome sessions of resume building, project building, personal mentorship. Like Ashio Job helps a lot in all these kind of things, like which you didn't get any help in your college, I think. And like that, these things helps a lot in getting job. That's all my journey. My suggestion for like all these people who are like graduated or will be graduating like on 2025. Like I think the market is demanding high skill engineer. The engineer should have in-depth knowledge of the skills, like learn things in depth, not just the overview of the things. Like 2020 like जब मैंने सुना था कि मतलब कुछ भी आता होगा कंप्यूटर साइंस में तो हायर कर लेते हैं. अब ऐसा नहीं है. अब ऐसा है मतलब इन डेप्थ आपको नॉलेज होनी चाहिए. लाइक अब जॉब है, जॉब्स अभी भी हैं, लेकिन इतनी नहीं है जितनी थी. लेकिन अब कंपटीशन बहुत ज्यादा है क्योंकि काफी सारे लोग इस फील्ड के अंदर हैं.
Hey, hi everyone. Today in this video we have Azam with us. Azam's been a student with Accio Job only for the last 4 months, I believe, and he's recently gotten placed at Finmo. And today's video will talk about his journey, and it is super interesting because he was an aspirant who started attending job drives with Accio Job, tried a lot, persisted through them, attended multiple, got shortlisted, got rejected through a lot of them, and finally upskilled with us, worked hard for the last few months, took mock interviews, kept working on his feedbacks, and now is finally placed, right? So let's just start and go deep into Azam's journey, understand from him that what he's gone through, what has finally gotten this outcome, and what has he learned from all of his first job hunting journey with us. So Azam, let's start with a quick introduction, right? Where are you from? Where did you do your schooling? Where did you go to college? What did you pursue there? How was your college years? How was the placement hunting journey in college and after college also, right? Everything you did and your journey before you came to Accio Job.
So hello everyone, my name is Azamuddin. I am from Banaiyo, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my high school from my city Banaiyo, from Bloomingdale School. Then after that I did my diploma in mechanical engineering from Government Polytechnic Alapur. After that I took admission as a lateral entry student in BTech at Mahatma Jyotiba Phule Rohilkhand University Bareilly in computer science stream, and I have completed my BTech in 2024. Like I have started applying to the jobs from my last semester, and then like I was not shortlisting at any of the job. Like मुझे वो mail याद हो गया था. Like unfortunately at this point of time we can't forward with your application. We are moving with other candidates' application. Then उसके बाद मैंने YouTube पर एक चैनल पर देखा था कि Ashio Job is conducting a job drive with FanCraze. Like that was my first offline drive. I went to Ashio Job Noida Center. I took the assessment, gave the assessment, and then like I got shortlisted for the interview. Then I go to the interview. Like was offline interview in Delhi, I think, ओखला साइड FanCraze इंटरव्यू. उसमें वहां पर मैं इंटरव्यू के लिए गया. वहां पर मैंने 2 राउंड इंटरव्यू क्लियर भी करे. देन वहां पर मैं रिजेक्ट हो गया. फिर उसके बाद मैं 1-2 ड्राइव्स में और आया एशियो की नोएडा सेंटर पे. मतलब मुझे बरेली से आना पड़ता था. सुबह में बरेली से आता था, और उसके बाद भी मैं 1-2 ड्राइव्स में और शॉर्टलिस्ट हो गया था. लेकिन फिर उसके बाद भी इंटरव्यूज ठीक से हो नहीं पा रहे थे. फिर मैंने ये सोचा लाइक कब तक मैं वहां पर जाऊंगा. लाइक वो तो हर हफ्ते 1-2 ड्राइव्स कराते हैं, मैं कितने चक्कर लगा लूंगा. देन मैंने वहाँ मर्न स्टैक का सेल्फ रेस ज्वाइन किया. उसके बाद फिर वहां से मतलब फिर ये होता है कि मतलब या तो आपको मॉक क्लियर करने हैं या फिर आपको पढ़ना पड़ता है. अगर आपने मॉक क्लियर कर ली है, then you can get the access of the job portal of Ashio Job. Then like I cleared all my mocks like within 10 days of joining, and after that I got access to the job portal at Ashio Job, and I found that they conduct hiring drive for their students like 10 to 15 or 20 hiring drives per month. Like you can apply to a job drive if you like it. Like there are multiple categories of job drive that happens on Ashio Job monthly, and then I started applying from Ashio Job, and my resume also get started shortlisted, and they provide some awesome sessions of resume building, project building, personal mentorship. Like Ashio Job helps a lot in all these kind of things, like which you didn't get any help in your college, I think. And like that, these things helps a lot in getting job. That's all my journey.
Got it. Very, very, very interesting. Yeah. So I'm assuming 2024, Azam, you graduated, right? And I'm assuming June, July that you were graduated. So college final year mein when you were applying for these placements, then you went to MJPRU, which is a decent college, I would say, right? Bareilly mein it would be a decent college. It is not like a very bad college, right? As such. So how was the placement season in college first? And before that, I would also love if you can answer this question that you did your diploma in mechanical. Then how did you make this choice that okay, now I will do a lateral entry and do BTech computer science, right? How did that come to be?
Sir, like if you didn't diploma in any of the field, like you have a choice. You can switch your trade. You can switch your branch in BTech. Like that time, I also want computer science during my diploma, but I choose a college near my city, and in that city, there is like in that college there is no branch like computer science. They only have mechanical, electrical, and civil. Then I choose mechanical, and I thought like in the BTech I will switch my branch to computer science. Okay. I made my mind previously like from diploma because computer science was not available in that college, sir. And then I switched to computer science at the BTech. And the placement session in my college, sir, was not good because of the market condition is not really well. I think like 1 or 2 companies visit the college, and I don't know what happened. Like I didn't even know when they came to college. The placement session was not from last 2-3.
And Azam, how did you upskill yourself, right? Because before joining AccioJob, you attended hiring drives with AccioJob because you had a certain amount of skills, right? In fact, you got shortlisted also in a couple of drives, so you had certain amount of skills already. And after joining AccioJob, you were more focused on polishing yourself, right? That how can I just polish out whatever is missing and how can I crack a job as fast as possible, right? And that's why I believe you joined the fast track program. But then how did the real upskilling happen where your core concepts were clarified? How did you learn those? How did you master that, right? I would love to know that.
So by giving 3-4 interviews, I like these are the most important topics, and I have to know these topics in depth. Like all of the interviews ask from these type of topics. Like this is interview experience, sir. Like I noted down all the important topics about JavaScript, about React.js, about specifically about MERN stack, and then I find it out the best solutions. Like sometimes you know the answer, but you like can't explain very well, and the interviewer thought that you don't know it. Then like,
but कहाँ से सीखा? MERN stack कहाँ से सीखा?
like sir, MERN stack तो सर मैंने खुद ही सीखा था पहले.
खुद से सीखा था पूरा? कैसे? YouTube देखते थे और फिर अटकते करते थे?
हाँ, YouTube देखता था, अटकता था सर, लेकिन ये था उसके बाद मैं मल्टीपल सॉल्यूशंस को ट्राई करता था अगर मैं किसी सिचुएशन में अटक.
समझ गया. यू तो वो जर्नी क्या भी लंबी थी, तेरे को कितना टाइम लगा? हाँ, कॉन्टेंट बहुत है दुनिया में.
उसमें सर मैंने इस जर्नी में काफी सारी गलतियां करी. पहली गलती क्या थी, जब मैंने इनिशियली स्टार्ट किया था ना 1-2 साल पहले, तब मैं क्या करता था, इतनी जावास्क्रिप्ट नहीं करता था, सीधे रिएक्ट पे आ जाता था. फिर ना जावास्क्रिप्ट समझ आती थी ना रिएक्ट समझ में आती थी. फिर मैंने पहले बस ये सोचा कि पहले जावास्क्रिप्ट के सारे कोर कॉन्सेप्ट्स मुझे पूरे करने, और थोड़ा सा मैंने कोहोर्ट से भी हेल्प ली थी. देयर इज अ यूट्यूबर हरकत सिंह, मैंने उनके कोहोर्ट से भी थोड़ी सी हेल्प, लाइक मेरा फाउंडेशन वाले वहां से बनाया. फिर मैं AccioJob के साथ आया, AccioJob से भी सीखा. AccioJob में भी प्लेसमेंट, AccioJob में भी असिस्टेंट बहुत अच्छा है. लाइक मतलब ये लोग भी, आप भी मतलब आपके यहाँ से डाउट बहुत जल्दी सॉल्व हो जाता है. लाइक एक गूगल जूम मीटिंग में ज्वाइन करने के बाद एक पर्सनल इवेंट पर आपका डाउट देता है. ये भी मतलब काफी, ये सारी चीजें हैं. गॉड, काफी लंबी जर्नी है ये सब. DSA भी मैंने काफी रखा था पहले से ही.
कहाँ से किया था DSA में? YouTube से देख के खुद प्रैक्टिस करते हैं.
CSS से बेस्ट
DSA ड्राइवर सीखा है. बहुत बढ़िया. तो सेकंड थर्ड ईयर ऑफ कॉलेज से ही पढ़ने लग गया था प्लेसमेंट ओरिएंटेड, या थर्ड ईयर कम से शुरू किया था?
थर्ड ईयर के लास्ट से पढ़ने लग गया था. थर्ड ईयर के लास्ट.
गॉट इट. तो पूरा फाइनल ईयर ने अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस की है, प्रिपेयर किया?
हाँ, मैंने DSA वगैरह किया, DSA वगैरह किया. लाइक DSA करना ही खुद में वो मतलब किसी के लिए कम होगा, लेकिन मुझे लगता है DSA में 7-8 महीने से कम तो लगते नहीं. एक अच्छी अंडरस्टैंडिंग जब चाहिए हो 6-7 महीना लगता ही रहता है. उसके साथ डेवलपमेंट भी नहीं हो पाता.
नहीं, एब्सोल्युटली यू आर राइट. एब्सोल्युटली आई थिंक स्ट्रक्चर हेल्प्स. हमारे यहाँ भी जो बच्चे पढ़ते हैं 4 महीने से 5 महीने के अंदर DSA कंप्लीट करते हैं वो, एंड इट इज ओनली पॉसिबल बिकॉज बहुत स्ट्रक्चर दिया हुआ है. डाउट्स क्विकली सॉल्व हो रहे हैं, फटाफट समझ में आ रहा है. पर्सनल मेंटरशिप सेशंस ले लो, मॉक इंटरव्यू टाइम टू टाइम लेके खुद को असेस कर लो कि DSA में एक्चुअली मैं कितना अच्छा हूँ, राइट? तो उससे थोड़ी सी जर्नी स्पीड अप होती है एंड बीच में आप कहीं लूज आउट नहीं होते हो. जैसे आप जावास्क्रिप्ट थोड़ी बहुत ऊपर से पढ़ी, रिएक्ट पे चले गए, राइट? फिर रियलाइज हुआ कि यार जावास्क्रिप्ट ही तो मेन है. अगर MERN में नौकरी चाहिए मुझे, तो मेरे को जावास्क्रिप्ट पे सवाल आने ही वाला है, और इन डेप्थ आएगा जावास्क्रिप्ट पे सवाल मेरे को इंटरव्यू में. So I should go back, then go and learn advanced JavaScript concepts in detail. So we help students avoid all these mistakes, teach them in depth in the first go कि कुछ miss मत करो. Don't do shallow learning of topics where depth is very critical, right? So all of that comes into being. But lovely. Coming back here, Azam, I had a couple of more questions, right, which were more, I think, slightly broader. But what would be your advice to all the students who are still in college, let's say 2025 batch, right, or 2024 batch who are still hunting for jobs, right? what would your advice be? What is the job market like? A lot of people think job market is bad, I can't get placed. There is competition, I can't get placed. What is your take on it? What was your spirit like there?
My suggestion for like all these people who are like graduated or will be graduating like on 2025, like I think the market is demanding high skill engineer. The engineer should have in-depth knowledge of the skills, like learn things in depth, not just the overview of the things. Like 2020, like जब मैंने सुना था कि मतलब कुछ भी आता होगा कंप्यूटर साइंस में तो हायर कर लेते हैं, अब ऐसा नहीं है। अब ऐसा है मतलब इन डेप्थ आपको नॉलेज होनी चाहिए। लाइक अब जॉब है, जॉब्स अभी भी हैं लेकिन इतनी नहीं है जितनी थी, लेकिन अब कंपटीशन बहुत ज्यादा है क्योंकि काफी सारे लोग इस फील्ड के अंदर हैं। लाइक इन डेप्थ नॉलेज होना बहुत जरूरी है। आप जिस भी अपने पर्टिकुलर स्टैक की जिसके अंदर आप मर्न स्टैक के अंदर है तो आपको काफी सारी चीजें पता होनी चाहिए। ये नहीं खाली रिएक्ट में आपको होप्स पता है तो काम चल जाएगा, आपको ऑप्टिमाइजेशन के बारे में भी पता होना चाहिए कि लाइक मैं एक वर्किंग प्रोडक्शन रेडी एप्लीकेशन कैसे बनाऊंगा। रियल वर्ल्ड प्रोजेक्ट्स आपके रिज्यूमे में एक दो होने चाहिए। लाइक यही सारी चीजें, इसी के थ्रू आपका रिज्यूम जो है वो शॉर्टलिस्ट होगा क्योंकि नॉर्मल से प्रोजेक्ट सबके पास हैं, टू डू लिस्ट, ई कॉमर्स वेबसाइट, नॉर्मल सीए के सबके रिज्यूमे में ये सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं। थोड़े से प्रोजेक्ट्स आपको इस तरीके से बनाने पड़ेंगे प्रोडक्शन रेडी सोच के, लाइक ऑप्टिमाइजेशन का भी ख्याल रख के, सारी चीजों का ख्याल रख के इस तरीके के एक दो प्रोजेक्ट पे आपको काम करना पड़ेगा। टाइम लगेगा, थोड़ा सा टाइम लो के अंदर, ये मतलब नहीं बन पाएंगे, एक दो हफ्ते के प्रोजेक्ट नहीं है, टाइम लगता है इसके अंदर। इसमें फाइनेंस लाने में टाइम लगता है। प्रोजेक्ट तो 3-4 दिन 5 दिन में बन जाता है लेकिन उसे फाइनेंस प्रोडक्शन रेडी बनाने में उसे काफी ज्यादा टाइम लगता है। लाइक ऐसे इस मतलब इस तरीके से मेहनत करो, मतलब इस तरीके से एक दो प्रोजेक्ट इस तरीके से बनाओ। आई थिंक देन योर रिज्यूम विल आल्सो गेट शॉर्ट।
Lovely, very very good answer. I think very accurate representation of the current market. Right, jobs हैं बहुत हैं और इनफैक्ट बढ़ रही है लास्ट 6-8 महीने से jobs इंडिया में. Right, प्रॉब्लम ये है कि bar for hiring has gone and that people will have to absorb. Like, वो समझना पड़ेगा, एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा कि भाई बार ऊपर है तो how do I get to that bar? Bar is not going to come down. Don't think that recession आ गया because the bar has gone up. So that is the India is still the fastest growing major economy right in the world. ये तो ऐसा नहीं है सच है. Yeah, that is a false depiction. But okay, perfect, very good advice. One more question, right? One more piece of advice for people who are actively job hunting, right? Let's say people have learned skills. That's the baseline. If you don't have skills, even if you are job hunting, it is going to be a waste of your time. You should rather put that effort genuinely building skills first, right? But let's say someone who has put that effort now, has in depth learned these skills which are required by the industry, has actually created good projects, good proof of work, right? To actually showcase that they have these skills and they possess these skills, right? If someone has done all of that, what is the best advice to hunt a job, right? Because majority people don't have that much support from colleges, off-campus job sites. I don't know what works, right? What do you think would be advice for them, that what can they do to crack a job after they have developed skills?
Like first of all, sir, read the job description very carefully and like make your resume according to the job description. Like add all those keywords which are like in the job description, like bold them, and like that's the main problem I was also facing. That's why I joined SEO, sir. Like I was also facing, my resume was good, I know everything, like how to answer the interview questions, everything, sir. Like but my resume was not getting shortlisted, sir, because there is lot of traffic now. Like there are lot of candidates. Like for a single job post there are thousands of applications, sir, for 2 openings. Like how they will get shortlisted? There is also, sir, a luck factor. There is also a luck factor. Like if your application gets like got seen by the HR, like I don't think so they see 10,000 or 20,000 of applications. They will see separately each application. Like they will see only 10-20 applications and then they forward the mail for assessment or like for interview. I think that's why I joined SEO, sir. Like you bring the companies, like you told them like we have like candidates who are very skillful, like trained from us. Like that's why I joined SEO, sir. I was facing the same thing.
Got it. But what are the other options according to you which can work? Which was very very good advice, right? So like, and for we are also trying to solve the same problem by doing these offline drives for free, right? For skilled students, right? Like if you have those skills, offline drive may at least you get a chance to prove your skills, because in majority of your off-campus applications you don't even get a chance to prove your skills. Forget about anything else. And it is possible that someone who doesn't have skills has made a resume which looks pretty, right? Maybe he gets an opportunity also to interview, but in the end they're not going to clear that opportunity, right? They'll fail in the interview, but they have taken your chance away probably, right? And all the luck factor combined, etc. So we try and solve that to an extent for both the company also and for the student also, right? Who is genuinely skilled and looking for an opportunity. But apart from ActioJob, what else can these guys do? What else did you do do in your journey. Even if it didn't work, it is okay. It is still learning for people, thousands and lakhs of students who are still trying. At least they will come to know, right? That should they spend time applying on job boards? Did you find any good communities, good Telegram groups, good WhatsApp groups with good opportunities? What else? And how did you discover AccioJob? I'm sure someone told you about AccioJob. That person is also a boon in your life.
Sir, I think like there are a lot of opportunities which I saw on the multiple job boards, sir. But one thing, like most of the hirings are for experienced people, like minimum 2 years of experience or 3 years of experience. Like the job board, I think currently is not working for freshers. Like I think if the freshers are hiring from job board, that they are very lucky then. Like my advice is other than this, like build a good network, build a good LinkedIn profile, like connect with your seniors. Like if they have any opportunity, like अगर internship मिल रही है तो internship भी कर लो. ये मत सोचो कि सीधे full time ही. Like उसके basis पे मतलब full time कभी हो जाए. मतलब I think like networking is one of the most important thing, like for finding the job, and a good LinkedIn profile, everything, like all these things works. Build a good portfolio and add all of your projects on that particular portfolio. Share that portfolio everywhere, like on LinkedIn, on Twitter, on Facebook. All these things will help. Apart from this, I think, and like apply as much as you can.
But there's no shortcut. The shortcut is to find someone.
There is no shortcut. Nice. And Accio is also not a shortcut. Like you have to clear interview by yourself. They only can help you for getting shortlisted. Like I cleared my interview myself. From my knowledge, like you only help, like you bring companies, like all.
Yeah, of course. That's the only help we can do. In the end, the student has to correct. As simple as that, right? हम तो सिर्फ प्लेटफॉर्म दे सकते हैं, असिस्टेंस दे सकते हैं, अपॉर्चुनिटी लाके दे सकते हैं, मेंटर्स दे सकते हैं, ताकि मिसगाइड ना हो अपनी जर्नी में. जर्नी को जितना फोकस रख सकते हो रखो, स्ट्रक्चर्ड रखो, चेक करते रहो कि आया है नहीं आया है, सीखा हूँ नहीं सीखा हूँ, क्या मैं इंडस्ट्री रेडी हो चुका हूँ इसमें या नहीं हो चुका हूँ. इसको इवेल्युएट करो. इंडस्ट्री के बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस हम बता सकते हैं कि व्हाट आर द बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस टू एक्चुअली प्रेजेंट योरसेल्फ, टू showcase yourself, to put yourself out there. When can you call yourself ready for the industry? That is where Accio can help. In the end, learning हमेशा खुद ही करनी पड़ती है, right? अगर खुद प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया, खुद टाइम लगाया तो कोई नहीं सीख सकता. So that is always true. But perfect यार. On that note, Azam, lovely journey you have had. जो भी रहा देर आए दुरुस्त आए, 1 साल लगा होगा कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, पीछे रह गया, मैं फ्रस्ट्रेट हो रहा हूँ. तो ये इमोशंस कैसे हैंडल किए? What were the emotions you went through in this last 1.5 years? Talk a little bit about it, more kind.
तो फ्रस्ट्रेशन तो होती थी. लाइक LinkedIn से मैं कंटिन्यूसली अप्लाई करता था दिन में 10 एप्लीकेशन से. वहाँ से मतलब एक ही मेल जो मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में बताया था याद हो गया था. लाइक अनफॉर्चुनेटली वी आर नॉट मूविंग फॉरवर्ड विद योर एप्लीकेशन, लाइक इस टाइप का मेल सर. लाइक बट एक ही थिंग थी सर, क्योंकि बस करना था सर. उस टाइम भी नहीं फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाता था 1.5 घंटे के बाद. फिर यही सोचता था अगर फ्रस्ट्रेट हो भी गया, सब छोड़ भी दिया, फिर क्या होगा. मतलब करना, मतलब जॉब तो लेनी ही है. मतलब बीटेक कर रखा है, इतनी मेहनत कर रखी है, लाइक सब कुछ कर रखा है, लाइक कितना पैसा लगा रखा है, मतलब सर जॉब तो चाहिए ही चाहिए थी. बस यही सोच के सारा फ्रस्ट्रेशन दूर खुद ही कर लेता था. लाइक के लगेगी जरूर लगेगी, 1-2 महीने बाद लग जाएगी. मतलब मैं ट्राई करता रहता था. और मतलब मैं एक चीज ये करता था साथ में, मतलब मैं इंटरव्यू के लिए बेस्ट आंसर्स फाइंड करने में लगा रहता था. लाइक हाउ विल आई एक्सप्लेन दिस टू द इंटरव्यूअर, लाइक बेस्ट रियल वर्ल्ड एग्जांपल मैं ढूंढता था. मतलब किसी भी पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन के. इन चीजों ने मेरी काफी हेल्प इंटरव्यूज.
वेरी गुड, गॉट इट, लवली. और पेरेंट्स, फ्रेंड्स क्या कोई कह रहे, वो लोग सब क्या कह रहे थे इस पूरी जर्नी में? वर देयर अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सपेक्टेशंस? वाज एवरीवन सपोर्टिव? व्हाट डिड यू गो थ्रू?
लाइक माय फ्रेंड्स वर सेइंग लाइक तुम हमेशा कहते हो इस महीने हो जाएगा, इस महीने हो जाएगा. तो मैंने उनसे अप्रैल में भी लास्ट में कहा था अप्रैल में होना ही होना है. मतलब मैं थोड़ा सा वो हो गया था. मतलब हर महीने वो कहते थे हो जाएगा यार, तुम तो इस महीने कहते थे अब हो जाएगा. मैंने कहा नहीं, अब होगा ही होगा, अप्रैल या मई के फर्स्ट वीक में. और वो हो ही गया.
चलो बहुत बढ़िया. एंड व्हाट वाज योर पेरेंट्स रिएक्शन? व्हाट वाज देयर, हाउ वर दे थ्रू आउट दिस जर्नी? व्हाट वर दे सेइंग? पेरेंट्स दे वर वेरी जल्दी टेंशन में आ जाते हैं ना.
दे आस्क मी ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस, लाइक वीकली, हुआ कुछ, आया कुछ. दे आल्सो नो अबाउट यू, योर AccioJob सर. दे आल्सो नो अबाउट AccioJob. दे वर कंटीन्यूअसली आस्किंग मी अबाउट लाइक वहां से भी कुछ आया क्या. मैं उनसे बोलता था मम्मी चल रहा है, अभी मैंने काफी सारी ड्राइव में अप्लाई कर रखा है, एक किसी ना किसी में तो हो ही जाए. इस तरीके से मैं उन्हें समझाता था. नाउ दे आर वेरी हैप्पी.
Okay, very good. Lovely to hear that. Perfect, Azam. Last set of rapid fire questions, right? One word for AccioJob.
It is a great platform for learning and help.
One word for AccioJob offline hiring drives would be?
AccioJob offline hiring drives are very good for opportunities for the outside students. Like if they are skillful, then they can from there. If they are skillful.
Got it. Understood. Perfect. Best feature about AccioJob program which you found, the fast track program?
Lot support, sir. Like a personal mentor in the Zoom meeting will resolve your doubt.
One last piece of advice for all the AccioJob students who are still on their learning journey.
As I told previously, sir, like learn things in very deep. Low level पे जाओ, चीजें कैसे काम कर रही हैं, like अच्छे से पढ़ो सब कुछ, like and AccioJobs पे काफी सारी ड्राइव्स होती हैं, like आगे हो जाएगा. अगर लेकिन खुद से मेहनत लगानी पड़ेगी. ऐसा नहीं है AccioJob ज्वाइन कर लिया तुम ये लगे अब ये लोग करा देंगे. तुम्हें पढ़ना खुद है, सीखना खुद है, इंटरव्यू भी खुद निकालना. Like build some real world projects. Build some projects that are very good. Like not project like जो सेम होते हैं सबके रिज्यूमे में. Like थोड़े से हट के प्रोजेक्ट बनाओ अच्छे से. Like प्रोडक्शन रेडी 1-2 प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ और अच्छे से अपनी प्रिपरेशन करो.
Got it. Perfect. One word for your upcoming company, Finmo.
Like sir, Finmo is a great company, sir. I think I will learn a lot. Like the team was very amazing, sir. Like interviewers were also very amazing, sir. Like I thought कि काफी कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा. Great team. They are doing great. I think it is a great opportunity for me, sir, to work with them.
Okay, perfect. Lovely, yaar. Azam, I think thank you so much for taking out time, sharing your journey in depth and detail, and very, very candidly sharing all the advice, all of what mistakes you have done, all of the hard learnings you have gotten over the last 1.5 years without Accio, before Accio, with Accio, after Accio, and finally cracking your first job, right? I know I've been through that myself, and I can say how relieving it is at first when you get that first job, right? Apart from all the excitement and happiness, I think the biggest feeling which comes is a sense of relief that I have finally overcome this challenge in my life, and I have finally cracked something where someone is going to pay me, remunerate me for my skills and my work, right? And it's a big deal, and I'm sure with the spirit which you carry, there is a lot more growth and learning coming your way in your career, right? And of course, AccioJob is there. AccioJob alumni community is there for life with you, no doubt about it, and we'll always be there to help and support as much as we can. Have all our students and you build amazing careers ahead, right? And thank you a lot for taking out this time. I'm sure viewers will watch this, will have quite a lot of strong, smart advice, and will definitely get inspired by your persistence and your ability to sort of keep going, right? And to keep going, to keep staying at it is extremely amazing to see. Yeah, perfect. On that note, thank you, Azam. Thank you all for watching. I hope you get some takeaways out of this video.